What's the meaning of in Bradstreet? Anne Bradstreet. Anne Bradstreet. Anne Bradstreet. Anne Bradstreet. Anne Bradstreet.
Anne Bradstreet was a Puritan poet and writer of the 17th century. She is considered to be one of the first published poets in America, as her works were published in England while she was living in Massachusetts. Bradstreet's poetry often focused on religious themes, such as the love of God and the struggle between sin and salvation. Her works also explored themes of domestic life, motherhood, and the challenges faced by women in Puritan society. Overall, Anne Bradstreet's legacy is that of a pioneering American poet who used her writing to explore complex spiritual and social issues.